Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever accidentally deleted an important email in Gmail and felt that sinking panic? Don't worry. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to recover deleted emails from Gmail in 2025. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do and how to avoid losing your emails for good. Let's jump right in. First, the key thing to know, Gmail automatically sends deleted emails to the trash folder, and they stay there for 30 days before being permanently deleted. This means the faster you act, the better your chances of recovery. Here's the step-by-step process. Open Gmail. Log into your Gmail account using your computer or mobile browser. Locate the trash folder. On the left side menu, scroll down until you see Trash. If you don't see it right away, click on More to expand the menu. Find the deleted email. Inside Trash, carefully scan through the list of emails. Look for the one you accidentally deleted. Select the email. Click the small checkbox to the left of the email you want to recover. You can select multiple emails at once if needed. Move it back. At the top of the page, click the Move to icon so it looks like a folder with an arrow. From the drop-down menu, choose Inbox, or any other folder you prefer. And just like that, your deleted email is back in your inbox, ready for use. Now let's cover some key takeaways so you don't miss anything important. Act quickly. You only have 30 days before Gmail automatically deletes emails from Trash permanently. Trash is your best friend. That's where deleted emails live temporarily, so always check there first. Simple interface. Gmail makes recovery easy with intuitive checkboxes and folder options. Here's an extra tip. If you can't find the trash folder, use the Gmail search bar at the top and type in trash followed by a keyword from the email. This instantly filters out results and helps you spot it faster. And what if the 30-day period has already passed? Unfortunately, once Gmail permanently deletes the email, recovery becomes extremely difficult. At that point, your best option is to check whether the sender can resend the message or see if it exists in any backup accounts you've linked. So, the bottom line, act quickly, always check trash, and don't wait too long if you've deleted something important. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more practical tech tips, and share this video with someone who might need it. And remember, one quick check in the trash folder can save you from losing that crucial email forever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.